in your tech this morning. Handheld gaming is having a resurgence. It's having a bit of a moment right now as full-blown PCs that you can take with you are growing in popularity like this one. This is the newest from ASUS. This is called the ROG Ally X. It's literally a PC. It runs Windows. It can play most AAA PC games, so the high-end games. Any game you can install in your normal computer, you can most likely put it here on the Ally X. And it may look a lot like their previous Ally handheld gaming system. It's similar, but they say they made some key changes based on customer feedback. So first, a much bigger battery lasting twice as long, double the storage of the previous model, they say, redesigned joysticks, a more ergonomic design, and better cooling. And they also said they put more expandability into this thing. Like the previous model, it's got a nice 7-inch screen, it's got Radeon graphics, so you can again run those games. See the old one, previous model on the bottom, new one on the top. This thing is awesome. But the question is, who's it for? I don't want to mix messages here. Casual gamers are still going to buy something like a Nintendo Switch. They just are.
Okay.
This is for hardcore gamers who want the best of the best while they're on the go, because the price tag, it does not come cheap. This thing is $800.
$800?
But again, remember, it's a full-blown PC. It's got gaming graphics card built in.
So it can do a lot more, obviously.
Well, that's the thing, is that you could plug a monitor, a keyboard, and a mouse and use this as a full-blown desktop computer if you wanted to, because it has that kind of power built into it. So pre-orders right now, it's not going to ship until later this summer. If that's too much, though, I will say the previous model of this is now down to $400. So that's half the price. And I think for somebody who casually wants to try something like this out, that might be a better option. The big competitor is the Steam Deck, which kind of does the same thing. That one's $400. So there are more affordable options. But if you want the best of the best and money means nothing to you, this is
You've got
awesome,
$800 to blow. This is your thing.
This is an awesome, awesome option for the serious gamers out there.
That's crazy expensive. Yeah.
That's cool.